Guys, Return to the High Vis, SpitVid 3. I hope you like it. Yeah, if you like it, give it a thumbs up. If you like it even more, give it a share, comment anything, as long as it's got something to do with the music. If you share it, I will probably not buy you Maccas, but I will be very appreciative. Yeah, so take a listen. Man, I chill in my room, that's where I illumines my tomb. Words bloom and we zoom into my mind, listening to MF Doom. Let me take this opportune moment to consume while I turn the beat down, and then I let it resume. A disciple, despite not having a Bible, I am liable to bring music that is vital to my rivals. I ain't tired of winning cycle, the bars I produce are fucking homicidal. No denial, words are hollow tips out of rifle. Nobody can bring you back, no revival. This is final, feeling I should be tearing this beat apart, but I can't, cause jazz music is my soul and heart. I'm an unwise guy, in other words an infidel. Listen to the decibels that compel. I'm feeling kinda unwell while I'm walking through the citadel. In my mind's eye, but it's made of some unknown material. I wanna go to hell, where I'm confined by a cell, where I dwell when the fire rises with the swell. Well, can you tell that I'm a serious struggler with no structure to spell? Let me ask a question, who the fuck my real friends? Looking at the photos that got taken through a camera lens. I cleanse with my pens as the ink drips and the bars commence, thick and dense so they hit their sense. Intense, sitting in a zen state with some dragon blood and sense. No offense, I arch up in defense. So who declared war? Who's the fuck that I'm coming for? I spit rhymes galore, better than before, but I'm standing on a wall waiting for the wind to make me fall as I endure, waiting for my grandfather's words to call to where I have to go. Maybe I'll have to stay and spray more spits till you put me on replay. I'm still flipping nomadic, slipping until it gets static, ripping everything is tragic, yo, and that's word to the magic. It's so motherfucking classic. My life is like a carousel, always turning but forever parallel with my life and a demon organelle. I excel and propel myself through the clouds where I fell. While I yelled against gravity, I rebelled, upheld. I floated through the sky, grew wings, then I began to fly. But why didn't I die? I guess someone up or down is wanting me kept alive. Yeah, so SpitVid 3, Return to the High Vis. Peace.